guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fred Moa as always, and today I'll be showing you how to play Sala Yangu Naipae Catholic song on piano keyboard. So I hope you will enjoy the lesson, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment to my YouTube channel as always guys. And if you have any song you want me to teach you, just comment down below. Without wasting our time, let's get into our lesson. We shall be using a tempo of 75 and a key of D major. So we have transposed our piano to negative 0-4 so that we can 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 So we have transposed our piano to -5 so that we can play on D major. So our song is simple. Sala Yangu Naipae So without forgetting, I'm using a sound of strings. Let me check my dual. I'm using which sound? I'm using a synth called Dark Moon on my dual. That is the melody. Again. I play with one finger. Two fingers. Again. You have to play a lot of times so that this melody can stick on your mind. Again. Again. after that we are going to play our chords on our right hand. So let me break now the chords. Let us break the chords. So we are starting from this. You hold the G, the first root note, then the second inversion. The same, but we are using a second. We take this to this side. Here we starting with the root. Here we starting with the second, or the third. We have the root, third and fifth. So we are taking root to the last note. So we hold like this, second inversion, third inversion. So we are using first and second. We are using the root and this, the second inversion. So we start. So you have to start here. Like that, so slowly. I hope you are seeing the chord. That. After that, you are going to combine your right hand and your left hand. So we start. So the first, like that. So we are starting on the bass. Just look at the left hand. Like that. So you have to play the full from the melody up to this point. So we are going to play with our drums, and as I told you, we are using a tempo of 75, and then we shall meet on the next video. So guys, thank you. Make sure you have subscribed to this channel, and thank you, and God bless you. My name is always Fred Moa. Thank you, and God bless you.